This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. The 3-wheel Super Roadster motorbike will certainly make a splash, and we're predicting it will become one of our customers' favourites. With real sounding startup sounds, leather style seat and integrated multimedia player, your little one's gonna love getting to grips with this as they tear around the neighbourhood. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function, forward and reverse gears, realistic multi-spoke rims. The bike has realistic race slick tyres, giving it that authentic superbike look. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Padded leather style seats. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.